everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I decided to do a new look, and yes, I'm wearing a hood. I don't have like the plague or something like that. I'm not sick or anything. I didn't feel like doing hair, honestly. My hair is clean, but it didn't look like as styled as I normally like, so I just thought I'd just try this look. But anyway, it's kind of besides the point. I'm sure you're not here to talk about hair. So what you're going to need is some kind of band, like a closed loop kind, like this one. This one has things for your feet that strap around your ankles too, or you can just take it and put it just directly onto your legs like you would a normal band that doesn't have these little foot things. Let me go ahead and put this on. I just got this one from Amazon a while back. It was not, I don't think it was terribly expensive if I remember correctly. It's been a little while. Okay, and for our first exercise, I'm actually going to turn this way because I guarantee my balance, well, you've probably seen, if you watched my videos, you know my balance is terrible, so we're just going to take one leg out in front and activate the quad area, because you want to make sure and protect everything while you're doing this. So I'm just going to go ahead and activate the quad, and then I'm just going to, so I'm just going to push against the band, basically. So 3. You want to do these slow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Do it on the other side. So activate the quad. Ooh. Down the sides of my knee is kind of a little bit uncomfortable, I have to be honest. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we're going to be doing the same thing again, but we're going to go out to the side. So 1. I think I'm going to not point my toe because I feel like I have better control of the side of my knee when I do not point the toe for some reason. That was 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, I'm going to turn around so that you can see the other side, but I mean, I'm just going to be doing the same thing, so. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's a workout for the standing leg. Okay. And then let's go ahead and go out back behind us so that we're hitting the back part of the leg and the knee. So 1. Ooh, my hip flexor, not hip flexor, my hip replacement didn't really like, doesn't always like it when I do some of this stuff. So 2 or 3. I'm just gonna, it's 4 now. 1, 2, had some, like a chair or something. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it facing straight on once again. So we're going to take, and I want to make sure you know what I'm doing. We're going to take the leg and go across the center line and then back again. So like that. And actually I'm not going to point the toe for this one. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to turn around so you can see the other side. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Ooh. Alright, and then, okay, make sure I'm centered. For our next exercise, we're just going to be doing like side steps with the band, or without a band if you do not have a band. Because you know you don't have to have a band for all these exercises, or any of them really, although it is helpful. Immediately feel this one. I have no idea how many this is because I've been just doing it and thinking about, you know, doing 2 and 2 on each side. So I'm just going to go until I feel like it's plenty. So just go ahead and, you know, you can count. You could do 10 if you want, or just go until, you know, with me basically. And if you have issues with your knees, be careful about doing squats. Don't go like super crazy deep into it because that can probably not be good for your knees. Well, I mean, I know it wouldn't be good for your knees if you have knee issues, so do not go crazy. Unless you are okay and your knees are good. Whew, this is a knee exercise, but at the same time, it is killing the sides of my butt. Which is actually a good thing, because that area tends to not get enough work on a lot of people. Usually, you know, they're just going front and back and not doing much side to side, so yeah. Okay, whew. Yeah. I think that was plenty of knee and plenty of side booty. Okay, so now we're going to get on the floor, and we're going to keep the band on. And I'm going to leave it where it is. There's a big thing of bunny hair here. I just vacuumed. Anyway, it's kind of besides the point, but make sure to, you know, tighten up everything, and then we're just going to... You could put the band here if you wanted to. That's probably preferable, but since my band is already where it is. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Time to flip over. Do it on the other side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All Let's do some clam shells maybe, because those are also good for this stuff. For your knees and that whole little area. But for that one I know that these are not gonna be in spot, so my hips are getting a little sore from this, but it's alright. It's kind of to be expected, I guess, with this type of these exercises that work anywhere near there. It's all connected. Okay. Let's come down and okay. When you are ready, let's go ahead and open and close the legs like a clamshell opening and closing, as the name implies. 3. Man, these were the bane of my existence when one of the exercises that was when I was having to do the physical therapy from having hip replacements. This is one of those ones that's like torture. 5, is it 6? 5 or 6? 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let's flip over. Go on the other side. This band is moving around a little bit, but so 1, 2, 6, 9, 10. So just go ahead and pick yourself up and sit up, and we're going to take the legs out straight. We're going to keep the band up above the knees. You don't really want to do it like right on the knees, on the joint. Just make sure it's like above them. And then I'm going to put the hands behind me. Make sure you have, make sure everything is nice and strong. And then I'm going to lean back a little bit. And then we're just going to take the legs out like this. Wow, you can feel that. And I'm going to flex the feet for this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Having to do both legs at once is quite intense, I will say. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you do subscribe so that you're notified whenever I put out a new video. I put out new videos every single week. I'll try to do some more videos on knees, and particularly like if you've had surgery and you need something to kind of get back into, back into action again, but doing it carefully, very mindfully. So I definitely want to do some more on that, and yeah. I don't know, I don't really know what else to say. I've actually been trying to do this outro for a little while now, but the camera cut out. So, anyway, I guess until next time, I will see you on the next video. So, till then, bye.